Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and lecture from this class on free ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked a little bit before about what arbitrage means. We have talked about physical products arbitrage in general, which are the options that we have. And we have talked about the fact that we will focus on leveraging online marketplaces in this particular class. So let's talk more about actually how we can leverage online marketplaces and which is the step-by-step process that you need to follow in order to be able to do that. And it's quite a simple process, but you need to follow the steps so you can actually end up applying all the process and have listings, selling products, making sales, and then turning them into profits and so on. So the first step that you need to make obviously is to create your accounts on the online marketplaces you want to leverage. And I have some specifications here. There can be online marketplaces that are local marketplaces, for example in your country where you live, or there can be global marketplaces like Amazon or eBay or AliExpress and so on. I would recommend you to start with eBay.com because it's the best marketplace for arbitrage and dropshipping at a global level right now, okay? Not to mention the fact that you can actually access a very big database of consumers that they have in the United States, which is one of the countries where people spend the most in the world, okay? That's why it's a big advantage to start with eBay, because you have a huge marketplace with a very big database of consumers and with practically very good buying habits and a big buying power too, okay? Now, the second step would be that you need to create your eBay account and configure your seller account on eBay.com. You will have a seller account, and I will show you exactly how to do that. Okay, how your seller account should look like and how it should be configured. Then the first step would be the fact that that a lot of products you will list on eBay can be found and ordered on Amazon.com. And I recommend you to start with Amazon till you get some experience with the business model. So you will also need to create an Amazon account, okay? So practically the third step, if you want to call it so, is to create your buyer account on the other marketplaces from which you want to order your products and drop ship them directly to your client, okay? That would be the third step. Now, the fourth step, or the first point, is is to find other places where you can get your products from, okay? For example, if you are living in the United States, it would be very good if you would look for other online stores like HomeDepot.com, BestBuy.com, Kmart.com, Walmart.com, and so on. Why? Because you can find your products at better prices than on Amazon. And also on some of the stores that have loyalty programs, you can create your own account, you can create your own loyalty card, okay? And you can earn more money, okay? You can have a higher margin of profit because you are practically earning points for each order that you make. You can get special discounts for some products, and that can turn for you into an extra couple of $100 every single month, okay? Which are very good money, of course. Now, my recommendation and sixth point, okay, or sixth step from our process is to always look for new sources from where to buy the products, okay? You always find new online stores, new online marketplaces, look for new opportunities, okay? Maybe you can find a best-selling product that you have in a different place at a better price, and you can increase your margin profits, or at a better loyalty program and other things like that, okay? So always be open to new opportunities, seek out these opportunities, and you will be able by doing so to increase your profit margin. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this lecture was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now. Sorin. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and lecture from our class, Free Ways to Make Money Online with Arbitrage. We have talked about up till this point arbitrage, the general definition of arbitrage, an introduction to physical products arbitrage, how we can do it, how we can leverage different online marketplaces, which are the options that we have, which is the process that we need to go through in order to start selling online and making profits from physical products arbitrage. And now we will go a little bit in a different direction also with physical products arbitrage, but we will use a different type of marketplaces, and we will talk about that in a minute. Let me just change the slide for you. So we will talk about leveraging platforms like Fiverr and Etsy or Store Envy. Now, for those of you who don't know what Fiverr is, it's an online marketplace for freelancers or other product or service designers or merchants that are practically selling their services or products for as low as $5. So everything that you will find out there on Fiverr, products, services, everything starts from only $5. Now on Etsy and on StoreEnvy.com, there are a lot of sellers and people that are looking for products which are handmade or personalized or other things like that. What we will leverage in this case is the designers that we find on Fiverr, for example, or the creators of, let's say, homemade earrings, and we will practically sell them on Etsy for a higher price, because on Etsy, one of the, let's say, hot products at this moment is anything related to homemade products, okay? So practically we can find a supplier of homemade earrings on Fiverr, which sells them for only $5, and after that post them on Etsy, let's say for 25 or 30 bucks, okay? And our profit will be that margin of $20 or $25. It's the same thing for StoreEnvy.com. So which are the steps that you need to follow in order to start doing arbitrage on this model, okay? By following this model, well, first of all, you need to create your accounts as a buyer on Fiverr or on other platforms which are offering services similar to Fiverr, because there are other platforms like that out there. You can search for them on Google, but Fiverr is the biggest one and the most trustable in my opinion. Now, after you do that, you go and create a seller account on Etsy.com and StoreEnvy.com. It depends on which one of them you want to sell your products, but if it would be for me, I would start with Etsy.com, and I will show you in a couple of seconds how you can actually do that. After that, you need to know that you will sell mostly handmade and personalized products, because this is the niche for Etsy.com, like handmade earrings, the example that I just gave you before, and personalized mugs. Identify your purpose here, okay, from the beginning. In order to profit from this is to identify top selling products on Etsy.com and StoreEnvy.com and find a good supplier for them at a cheaper price on Fiverr.com. Now let me show you an example of how we can do that right away, okay? Just wait with me a couple of seconds. So we can go to our browser, okay? So right now we are on Fiverr.com, as you can see here in my browser, and here we are on Etsy.com, which is the platform where you will sell your services. So if we go to Fiverr.com and, for example, we look for personalized mug, okay, we are searching for that, we will find some things here, okay? I will make personalized monogrammed mugs. I will make you a personalized mug, for example, okay? So this is an example. Now let's see how much this costs. Okay, ordering process, custom mug specs, okay. So add your item, file types, okay. Okay, so here is a gig for personalized mugs. Now what we will do right now, this is only $5, guys, okay? So I will make your personalized mug for only $5. You go to Etsy.com, search for personalized mugs, press search, and here we go. So if we take a look here, the cheapest one is $14. So even if you go for the cheapest price, you will still make around $8 profit, which is more than 200%. Okay, then we have other products, $49, $18, $14, $27. These are two. $8 again, but this one is very simple. Even for this one you make a profit, okay, you make $3, $16, but each of these products sell, guys. That's what's important. So this is one of the examples. Now what you can also do, for example, we talked about homemade earrings. Let's see if we find them here. I don't think I've written well. Okay, I don't find the homemade earrings. Let's see if I find them like this. Yeah, so I will make you a cute ear cuff. Okay, so I will make you a pair of cute angel earrings. So here we have examples of different types of earrings. I will make wire wrapped earrings, gem crystals. I will make you elegant copper wire wrap earrings. This one are actually pretty cool. Okay, and let's see, elegant copper wire wrap earrings. We take this key phrase, we paste it into Etsy.com, and let's see for how much are these selling. So here you can see that it creates them for, this seller creates them and sells them for only $5, and here we have them at $45, $15, the cheapest, the simplest model of them all. But all of those that also have semi-precious stones or other things like that are going well past over $25, as you can see. Okay, so here you can make a return on investment of over 400, even 500%, which is actually pretty cool. So you buy something for $5 and you sell it for $35, you make a $40 profit like that. Even if you sell 2 or 3 pairs like this per day, it's actually a great business and lucrative business model, guys. So this is how it's done. After you find here your seller, you negotiate with this seller. Okay, you talk to this seller, ask him all the conditions, all you need to know about the products. How does the shipment it's made? Okay, how does if it takes any money? Okay, how much money is the shipment? In what countries does the seller ship, and so on. And after you have everything figured out, you can go on Etsy.com. You go to sell on Etsy, create your account, and after that create your listing with the earrings or the mugs or whatever you want to sell here. Okay guys, thank you very much for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye till then. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and the video from this class, 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked about physical products arbitrage. We had an introduction into arbitrage. We have talked about how to leverage different online marketplaces, which is the process that you should go through in order to start to make sales and profits and to actually get this type of business going. And right now I want to give out some tips, okay, for using eBay as an online marketplace, as an online seller, because probably you will start with ebay.com, this type of business, and you should know these things when you start out, because it will help you to maximize your results and actually get results as fast as you possibly can. So let's dive into the actual information. So tips for eBay sellers. The first tip would be start with low priced products that sell fast so you can build a good reputation and increase your seller limits. You will see that you have, when you start out on eBay, you will have some seller limits, and practically you want to increase those limits from month to month so you can list more products in your online store and you can start to sell more at a higher value. Okay, but first of all, in order to get you going and get some traction with your eBay store, to say so, you need to find very low priced products, but I wouldn't recommend you under $10 or even under $20, okay, but to be lower priced products so you can sell them fast. Okay, you need to have cash flow very fast. When you start, you can sell products in total value of maximum $500. So this is in direct relationship with what we have talked earlier. Okay, so go for the products ranged anywhere between $20 and $50. Okay, because if you go for example for a product that it's less than $10 or $15, your profit margin will be very small, and actually you will make very little money on that product. Okay, be sure that you can add a margin of at least 40% to sell a product so you can actually earn money. Why is that? Because you will have some eBay fees for each product that you list. okay, that you need to pay to eBay for listing your product and selling that product into their marketplace. You will also have transportation or shipping for some of them, and with a 40% practically margin, profit margin, you can make money, pay your fees and pay your taxes and still have a very good profit, net profit. Okay, that is the thing that it's of interest for you, because you are actually building a business. You want to earn money from this, so do not go for less than 40%. Now, other tips: always check your rating status. It's very important to obtain and maintain a top seller status. You will see, and I will show you an example, okay, in our next video, that people who actually have stores that are rated as top sellers will even be able to sell a product at a higher price point than everybody else. Why? Because just by the fact of being a top seller, they will build much more credibility in front of potential customers. So people will look at them with trust, and they will be much more likely to buy from that top seller than from an usual seller which has maybe a reputation that is not as good as the top seller's reputation. Okay, if you have done everything right from your first month and sold up to your seller limit, so you have passed that 500 practically turnover point, you can ask for the seller increase directly to eBay. You can even call to them. You can tell them, okay, look, I have passed my limits. I'm okay with all the orders. Can you please check out and increase my limits, because I want to add new products and I want to sell more, because it's also in their interest for their sellers to be able to sell more, because that's how they earn money, okay, from the fees that they get on the listings and on the product sales. Okay, so keep all these tips in mind, guys, apply them, and you will see you will get very good results with them. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye for now, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye again. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and video from this course. In this lecture and video, I will show you how you can find products that you can post on eBay or on other marketplaces to do drop shipping on them, how to find good products that actually sell. And for this we will have two methods that we will discuss about. The first one is to look into the actual marketplace where you want to post your product for selling. That means in this case on eBay, to look for the products that are actually sold. And we will discuss a little bit more about this in detail after I tell you which is the second method, which is to do a type of reverse marketing. So to look into the marketplace where you will actually find the product that you will post on eBay for best-selling products or products that are hot or on the trend or just appear and they sell very good, and on which you don't have too much competition on eBay. And before, in a different lecture, I just gave you an example on Amazon with this silicone burger press, because if you look on for burger presses on eBay, you will find only this type of burger press, or this type right here. Okay, you won't find this type of burger press, which is a silicone burger press for more meat rolls, to say so. Okay, and this one, it's not yet posted on eBay. But how did I find this burger press? Not on eBay. I came on Amazon.com and I went in the home and kitchen department, okay, in the kitchen and dining, and I looked for best-selling products, and I went through all the pages and I found this type of product. Okay, now let me show you an example. So you just go to departments, home and garden tools, kitchen and dining. You press on this button here. So this is for the second method, guys. This is practically a sort of reverse marketing technique. Okay, and you go here and you will have here best sellers. Okay, you go to best sellers and then you can see everything in detail. Okay, all the best selling products in this section of home and kitchen, and you take them page by page. Okay, see if you find any product that, I don't know, that you seem to like. Okay, and then search for it on eBay to see what competition you have. And if you don't find anything on the first page, you can go even deeper to see the best sellers. For example, in bakeware, in bar and tools, in kitchen and table linens. For example, we go in kitchen and table linens, and we have even more here. We can go even deeper into aprons. I'm just giving you an example, and we see the best sellers in aprons. Okay, so which are the chances for someone, okay, to have the product here, to have the product that you will find here posted on eBay for sale. Okay, there is a chance, but there is more likely for you to find a better product here as the deeper you go, okay, into the categories, than to find on the first page a product that sells. And that's practically how I found the burger press that I've just showed you before. Okay, and this is how you can find the aprons. Now let me show you the first method, which is to go in the actual marketplace on eBay to see which are the best sellers. For example, right now we are on ebay.com, and we can go in the home and garden section. Let's just press home and garden, and we will have here more options: bath, bedding, home decor, home improvement, kitchen dining, which we can go to kitchen dining and bar, and we can go to bakeware. Okay, and we just went to bakeware, and what we will do here is, first of all, go here and show only sold listings. That's once, to see what sells. Okay, and then we will have sort and rated. No. All this first. No, view. Okay, and price, shipping. We can sort after price, shipping, which would be a good idea, but we have already spotted, okay, sold listings, completed listings, free international shipping. Also, we can go for this one, delivery options, free international shipping, and we can select a certain price range, and we will go for $10 to $50. And all listings, okay, size, condition, new. Okay, we are interested only in new, and that's about it. Material, brand, type, color, no. This is what's important for us. Okay, that's about it, guys. We can go even further, okay, to see here which is the material, which is the format, and so on. But I think this is enough to see exactly which are the top sellers, okay, which are the listings that we are looking for, the prices. Okay, the prices, it didn't took the prices from $10 to $50. Actually, let's put 20, and let's see right now. Okay, and that's about it, guys. Okay, so if we go to complete listings, we can see things that actually have been sold. Okay, this is very important. We can see things that actually have been sold. So guys, this is how you find good products on eBay, okay, that are actually sold. You can see which is the competition on them, and afterwards you can look for them on Amazon or on other online stores or in local stores or wherever you want to source your product, so you can have a very good profit margin. Now, thank you very much, guys. I hope this was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.